Hello, this is a little overview of our critical assignment. First off is a large portion of the United States population experiences stress regularly. This is something that can have a negative effect on one's body long term. Any type of change in the body that can cause physical, emotional, physiological strain can be defined as stress, as it is one of our body's responses to alert us that something needs attention and something needs to be fixed, which is quite fascinating that our body is able to do stuff like that for us. In the United States, for instance, 7 out of 10 people are perceived to live in a constant state of stress, which isn't good as it has some long-term effects that can be negative for us. Some of these long-term effects that stress can cause is a suppressed immune system, headaches, high blood pressure, heart disease, depression, anxiety, and even more. The list can go on. Finding a way how we can reduce stress or lower these effects is really important, as this is not something we want to hurt ourselves by not taking care of. According to the Mayo Clinic, strategies such as yoga, healthy dieting, and even adequate sleep can help mitigate any risk of these effects that stress has on our body. Continuing on, some background information on yoga is that it is a system of physical exercise, breath control, and meditation aimed at attaining bodily and mental control and well-being. Research found suggests that a wide variety of positive health effects from daily yoga practice, including but not limited to pain reduction, lowered heart rate, lowered blood pressure, improved strength and flexibility, improved sleep quality. It can increase blood flow, help the immune system function better, and can also reduce stress, which is our goal. Daily yoga practice will have all these benefits. It would take time for one to see these benefits, and as research has found that more studies need to be more long-term, so they're able to see how these positive effects can actually benefit a person in their stress reduction of their daily lives. And going into that, the goal of our study is to determine if a 20-minute yoga session can help reduce any perceived stress levels in a person on just a daily basis.